This is a quick overview presentation of the products and services provided by Kalos Solutions. Kalos Solutions has over a decade of experience in providing world-class enterprise application software solutions to customers around the world. The presentation consists of 4 parts: the solution portfolio, how we approach execution, what's unique about us, as well as a track record and testimonials by customers. The Kalos solution portfolio is divided into 2 parts. The first set of solutions are related to custom enterprise application solutions that are given for unique requirements by customers. The second one is centered around products and platform that we have developed ourselves. For custom enterprise applications, we provide mobile ready or any screen or any device ready applications, enterprise web applications, cloud enablement of applications, migration of legacy applications, and also product code development. Platform-based solutions are around our product KServe ERP, KServe HRMS, and SpecMyApp.com. In today's world, almost any application needs to be done or developed in any device-ready environment, given the plethora of devices people use. The application needs to be mobile ready, tablet ready, as well as widescreen PC ready. Kalos has technologies and capabilities to develop enterprise applications that can work on all these 3 or different types of devices to cater to the needs of the next generation of enterprise applications. Our enterprise application expertise, especially for complex application, covers over 100 projects delivered over the past 10 years. We go through the whole delivery in a very structured manner. We process model the application, we perform organization modeling, we reuse a lot of technologies and reusable code and deliver the software solution faster, quicker, with better scalability and better quality. We have delivered a large number of solutions on the cloud. Here are some of them. We provide solutions in any domain and in any industry and can understand your requirements and enable your application. We can migrate legacy applications which were built decades ago or even maybe a few years ago. Today, everyone is moving their applications onto cloud-ready, any device-ready applications. We do this in a structured manner, leveraging a lot of tools which enable us to do it faster, better, and with better quality. We have good expertise in developing a product specifically for you in case you want to market that product. Building a product is much more sophisticated than building a regular custom enterprise application done on a bespoke manner. It requires understanding the requirements, abstracting it for various situations, configuring it, providing UI standards, and a whole lot of special things which are not normally there in enterprise applications. Release management is also a challenge, especially if you're going to release the same product to multiple customers. Being a product developer ourselves, we know how to develop products for others and have delivered very good products that have been used by our partners and sold by our partners to various markets. Around our own products, KServe ERP, KServe HRMS, KServe CRM, and SpecMyApp.com, we deliver complex solutions. These solutions usually have a CRM, ERP, HRMS as a part of the solution itself. So we leverage a product for this and then provide the rest of the solution. A typical example could be a HR solution using KServe HRMS as the base and an add-on travel module, add-on scheduling model or something like that. Or it could be an ERP around which one has to develop a unique industry flavor. Platform-based solutions give you speed, quality, and deliver your requirement much faster than doing the whole thing ground up. We also do functional specifications and requirement specifications and wireframing using our platform SpecMyApp.com. We do these short projects in situations where customers need to get out a prototype first before they actually decide to execute the larger project. We also manage and outsource your application portfolio and deliver cost savings over a period of time. Our approach to execution is unique. We ensure that during all stages of specification, we go through a very thorough process modeling, screen modeling, wireframing, rule generation, and accurately specified applications such that the development cycle is fast, rapid, and of high quality. We use specmyapp.com, our own product, to ensure that it complies with your business, and you can see the specifications and participate in the entire process while we are executing the project. We use agile methodologies for speed, ensuring there are multiple sprints of the version so that you constantly gain in terms of deliveries and can deliver value to your internal customer or external customer faster using agile methodologies. We also have KPRAD, which is an internal model-based development platform that auto-generates a good part of the application, generates transactions, generates screens, generates reports, generates analytics, all automatically, reducing the time, cost, and effort to build complex enterprise applications. We have expertise in a lot of horizontal application areas, deep domain expertise in vertical industries, as well as in multiple technology platforms. Why us? You can ensure that your application project is executed in a risk-free manner, on time, with accuracy, leveraging our expertise, and yet is affordable. This combination is possible only because we've invested in products, in technologies, in platforms, and methodologies to ensure that when you give us the project, we deliver on time, with quality, and exactly what you need. Here are some testimonials from customers and some list of customers that we have provided solutions for. We have delivered over 200 enterprise class solutions since 2003, and many of them are multinationals, and some of them are even small customers. Here are some testimonials by customers. You can see that all of them are not just happy about our products, but the flexibility and the speed on which we deliver solutions. Thank you very much. For more information about Kalos Solutions, please visit our website. And if you have any project that you would like to outsource, we look forward to your contacting us. There are details available in the website on how you can contact us. We request you to contact us for any requirement. Thank you.